Today I'm preparing for the upcoming cold weather and testing out a battery-powered heated jacket from Wulcea. This one comes shipped in a nice box, which they do with a lot of their jackets. Inside you can find the jacket, a mesh laundry bag, some instructions, and the 18,400 mAh battery. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-C fast charging cord and a 20-watt fast charging adapter. I like this battery mostly because it shows the percentage on the display screen. There's a USB port right next to it, plus a DC port on one side, and a USB-C port on the other. You just connect it to the built-in DC cord inside the inner pocket, and you can keep it hidden in there while you're outside. There's another pocket for storage right above it, and 2 drawstrings that you can tie together to tighten up the waist area. They can be tucked away right behind the main zipper, plus there's 5 buttons on the wind flap for more protection. It's got a nice attached hood as well, and some buttons right next to it to keep the wind off your face. There's also deep pockets on both sides right next to one of the heating elements, so if my hands get cold, I can just stick them in there and it warms them right up. And speaking of the heating elements, it has 6 graphene zones throughout the inside. There's 2 right behind the front pockets, 1 on each sleeve, 1 in the neck area, and another one on the other side for your upper back. It has a soft inner lining that would probably keep you warm enough even without the heating zones turned on. And it's machine washable on the gentle cycle, so it's not overly difficult to clean. This button here on the inside controls the temperature. Long press to turn it on, and it'll default to red, which is the highest setting, and lasts for about 3 to 4 hours. Blue is the medium setting and lasts for 5 to 6 hours. And white is the lowest and lasts for about 8 to 10 hours. It heats up almost instantly, and I love that it's a little longer at the bottom, so not only will it keep my upper body warm, but my upper legs as well. It'll be perfect for cold football games, long walks through the city, or just to and from your vehicle. So if you need some warm weather gear, this excellent quality heated jacket might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." For now, I'm gonna hang it up until it gets a little bit colder outside. Later.